everyone, this is Anita. Welcome to your Creative Coder Zone. Okay, we learned some basic things of Java. Now it's need to know about writing code with values. Like we know, if we want to print any values to print, so print function is there. But if we want to do some calculations, like if we add two values and if we want to print that result or output on the screen, then I have to store the values in some place temporarily, and we can store that values in some place with the help of variable. Technically it is called variable. We can say normally data name. So for example, if we want to print value 10, so we have to first take it like here I have taken one variable age equal to 30 like that. So this is the declaration of variable. It is syntax like first we have to take the variable name. I have taken here variable name age equal to and its value is 30. So and its data type also. So in which data type that value is stored. So we mention that data type also, like 30 is a integer value. So we have taken is a data type is int. Now if I want to store any other value like character means single character. So if I want to store single h character, then the data type will be character char and its variable name var and value is this like that. So this is the declaration of variable syntax. First we have to take the data type, then variable name equal to, that is the assignment operator, and 30. It means that 30 value is assigned to the variable age and it stores that value temporarily. Age variable is stores that value 30 temporarily. When we are going to use that 30 value in future in our programming, then we have to use age variable. So it is the storage of variable. It is values to the variable. So like that we can store any value. So what will be the that syntax? First we have to take the, if I want to take simple value 10 and I want to use this 10 value in programming, then first I have to